The operator starts intake by entering customer, policy, date, and premium details while Topinsure keeps the commission calculation in view. Company, agent, logic, split, and tax choices stay on the same record, so the broker can review the numbers before moving forward. The calculated main broker amount becomes visible before confirmation, giving the operator a quick check on the split and settlement values. The operator confirms the transaction, and the record is ready for review in the broker operations workflow. Managers can review premium, income, and policy activity from the dashboard before opening a transaction. A filter narrows the operational table, so the reviewer sees the right context while the KPI strip stays aligned with the broker workflow. The cursor follows the row a manager would choose, and the detail page opens directly from the working table. The transaction detail page keeps policy information editable while commission context stays visible around the form. Reviewers can revise a controlled value while policy dates, premium values, broker choices, and status remain inside the same record. A customer field changes here, and update confirms the revised transaction. The revised value remains on screen so the reviewer can verify the record before moving on. The payment workspace shows overdue, upcoming, and scheduled collection work in one operational view. Summary cards keep overdue, due this week, and collected signals readable before the operator opens a row. The overdue filter narrows the queue first, the week view brings near-term work back, and an installment schedule opens from the payment row. The team can review collection status and schedule details without leaving the payment workspace. Owners can filter team performance by agent and date before reviewing retained income, take-home, and routed cash metrics. The refreshed leaderboard shows the selected team slice without forcing a manual spreadsheet comparison. Commission planning stays in the same view, so assumptions can be adjusted while the milestone table responds beside the team context. Finance teams can build reports from transaction fields and date filters before creating exports. The field picker defines the report shape, the issue date filter limits the period, and apply refreshes the preview. The preview table gives finance and management a row-level check across policy, broker, status, and amount columns. The operator can review the selected fields and date range before files are created. The export step gives managers a practical handoff for reconciliation and reporting. CSV and PDF export files are then created and verified for the reporting workflow. Owners can manage team roles without sharing credentials. A non-self role is changed and confirmed, keeping role assignment explicit in the administration area. Permissions stay visible before invite material is handed to another staff member. Topinsure then shows register links, login guidance, and a ready-to-send invite message the owner can copy. Administrators can review audit activity and broker routing configuration from connected admin views. The log table filters activity by action and status, giving owners a quick check on who changed what and whether the action succeeded. The broker structure page then updates the effective main broker alias. Summary tiles, the form value, and affected date history update in the same view, so the routing configuration is reviewable after confirmation. Catalog managers can maintain agents and insurer references inside the broker workspace. A new agent is added and appears in the list, showing that sub-agent records can be managed where operations teams need them. The company catalog then adds an insurer reference and refreshes the visible row list. Those catalog rows support later intake choices, broker attribution, and reporting labels. The account area shows plan, invoice, prompt pay, and subscription visibility in one place. The agency plan, trialing status, upcoming charge, and invoice panel stay visible before the operator opens billing setup. Billing then shows the agency plan and prompt pay choice before the operator confirms the subscription setup flow. The account view returns to plan and invoice visibility so the workspace remains clear for administrators. Topinsure brings intake, operations, payments, reporting, team control, broker administration, catalogs, and account management into one operating platform for broker teams.